Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Visa gift card on eBay. If you've received a Visa gift card and want to use it on eBay, you might be wondering if it actually works, and the answer is yes, but only if you use it the right way. Visa gift cards function like regular debit cards, but there are a few small details that can cause transactions to fail if you're not careful. Start by going to eBay. Use the search bar to find the item you want to purchase. Once the results load, click on the product you're interested in. On the product page, click Buy It Now. This takes you directly to the checkout page. Clarification: you can also use auctions, but Buy It Now is faster and more straightforward when using a gift card. At checkout, you'll see different payment options. Look for the option Add New Cart. Click on it. Now enter the information from your Visa gift card, the card number, expiration date, security code, CVV, and name on card. Then click Save. Clarification: some gift cards may not have a name. Just enter your own name if needed, and make sure the card is activated before using it. After saving the card, select it as your payment method. Then confirm your purchase. Your Visa gift card will be used to pay for the item. Using eBay with a Visa gift card is simple once everything is set up correctly. To summarize, using a Visa gift card on eBay involves selecting your item, clicking Buy It Now, adding a new card, entering your card details, and completing the purchase. As long as your card is activated and has enough balance, the process works just like a regular payment. And that's how to use a Visa gift card on eBay. It's a convenient way to shop, especially if you don't want to use your main bank card. The key is making sure your card is properly set up. Most issues happen because of small details like balance, activation, or billing info. Once you handle that, the process becomes smooth and reliable. As you continue shopping on eBay, understanding different payment methods gives you more flexibility and control. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.